am here today to remind every Igbo man and woman, Igbo children, youth, of your faith in Nigeria moving forward. After Nnamudi Kanu was given a fake illegal justice or judgment by Injustice or Motosho, I want to tell you your faith. I see that many of you are already jubilated. Oh, justice has been served. You, Igbo man, they rejoice. Say, justice, now I can go back to my father's land. Oh, I can travel back to the east. Now, you can go back to the east. For your mind, Nnamudi Kanu is the cause of insecurity in Southeast. Nnamudi Kanu did you people bad by bringing Eastern Security Network to combat Fulani terrorists where they chop your mama cassava. And what you used to pay him back is to say that he is the one that brought insecurity. What your governors could not do. Remember, Southeast governors refused to bring security in Southeast. In Southwest, they even had to bring Amatekun. But for Southeast, our governors were this docile that they could not even yield to our advice of bringing adequate security, even if it is vigilante group. Nnamudi Kanu now took it upon himself, and we just opened our socials and saw that we now have Eastern Security Network that will protect lives and properties, especially of our mothers that are farmers. Now, to pay Nnamudi Kanu back, una say na him import insecurity. I have nothing to say to all of you. But what I am assuring you today, shall you they rejoice? Oh, I can go back to my father's land now. I can go back. The coast is clear. Everywhere is okay now. Oh, we can now go back. Oh, thank God. Go back now. Now, you can go back. It's not a threat, but you can go back to your father's land. Now, go to your father's land. Everywhere is okay. Everywhere is, there's nothing like insecurity. Because according to you, Nnamudi Kanu make Southeast a no-go area. I have nothing to tell you, but I will only advise you to go back to Southeast. Now, I am here for Obi Kubana, E-Money, Joey Zazi, Ateze, Bianca Ojuku, David Omahi, Purpose of them man. Now I come for today. And Alex Oti, Peter Mba, Francis Winfrey is an idiot. I can't talk about him, he's a houseboy. I'm here for these people. You think it is in Nnamudi Kanu the sentence? When I say na him they give, even though I know that one will not work. It's not possible. It can't work now. It cannot work. Now, by the special grace of God, God have given me back the strength because I can't because my enemy. No, I will now say that I will not go to war front to combat the person where one can swallow me and swallow my generation. David Umahi. It is not Nnamudi Kanu the sentence. Now you. It is Hope Uzodinma the sentence. Obi Kubana na you the sentence. Bianca Ojukwu na you the sentence. You are a minister under Tinubu. David Umahi, you are a minister under Tinubu. Obi Kubana, you sit down with Isheyi Tinubu the eat. You have meeting, you've been having meeting with Isheyi Tinubu, meaning that you have been interacting with the so-called first son of the country. And inside this meeting, you did not raise up the issue of your brother. Do you know that Napoti they rob you for face? Like I said, it is not Nnamudi Kanu they gave life sentence. It is every Igbo man, all of you, businessmen. You wear the whole one political office or the other. Now on a then sentence. Now on a then spit for face. Tinubu spat on you people's faces. Tinubu spat on your faces. All you Igbo rich men, the ones where I know and the ones where I don't know. Tinubu spat on you people's faces. I went to check Obi Kubana on Instagram to know what he has to say about the imprisonment, life imprisonment. According to Omotosho, that they were even fair enough. They wanted to do death penalty. They wanted to do death by hanging for Nnamudi Kanu. But because of the mercy of God, they gave him life imprisonment. He will not see the light of the day. And then go put him for a secured prison yard that will be properly guided, and he will not have access to gadget except it is properly scrutinized, or security officials, Nigeria will come and supervise anytime when he carry gadget, laptop or phones. It's no problem. That is to say that according to them, it's a high terrorists they imprison. Nnamudi Kanu and the high terrorists where they imprison. So you Igbo rich man, you Joey Zazi, you Obi Kubana, you E-Money, I went to your Instagram. I said, let me check. How are you reacting to this? How are you taking these judgments? I see, say, Bianca Ojukwu never updates. I see, say, Obi Kubana is still forming a fine boy. He's still a fine boy, still holding his Gucci and Louis Vuitton bag, still doing a fine boy. Obi Kubana, the last post is the last post where you post now, Caterpillar, where they pour sansan for you for the estate where you debut for Abuja or Lagos. Obi Kubana. And all of you, aside the Kubana chief priest, this one where you done they greet Shetima. That one came out to write something. I can still give him maybe 2%. He tried somehow. But all of you, politicians, Igbo businessmen and women, they sentenced Nnamdi Kanu and there is a grave silence everywhere. They said they gave Nnamdi Kanu life imprisonment and Igbo billionaires say you know consign them. Shall you not consign you now? It could consign you by force. It go consign you by force. Now let me tell you something. You see, Tinubu carry spit, rub on her face, rub on her for face, say you people cannot do anything. Tinubu said that you Igbo billionaires, Obi Kubana, E-Money, Joey said, all of you, Bianca Ojukwu, you are a minister. Tinubu look on her for face, say they're very useless. You people cannot do anything now. Why they that thing where Omoto show read for court. Now Tinubu send them give them. They send them for them, copy them for them. Now what he read them through phone. That judgment was read through phone. It came as text message. Now text message be that. And he read it verbatim. Word for word. The way where they take send and give her. Now scripts. They played the script properly. Ask yourself, why a chief justice will be reading script, will be reading judgment, like where a 2-year-old child is learning how to talk. He was even shaking. So for your mind, Nnamdi Kanu they put for prison. Nnamdi Kanu they give life sentence. Nah, it is you, Obi Kubana. It is you, E-Money. It is you, Bianca Ojukwu. It is you, David Omahi. It is you, Hope Uzodinma. It is you, Alex Oti. The way, if, let me tell you, what Tinubu did to you, Igbo men, he will not do it to any Northerner. I don't want to talk about Southwest because he's from there. So let's leave that one aside. What Tinubu did to Igbo, he will not do it to Fulani. Tinubu look on our face, say, you guys will not do nothing. You don't mean anything to him. Bianca Ojukwu, if you were that important to Tinubu, Tinubu will not send a message to Injustice or Motosho. Write the judgment where he read for court. If you are that important, we want you. Try to remove yourself from this gathering of evil men. But you say no. I want to ask you, what is the offense of Nnamdi Kanu? They say that he was from another country, giving order, telling people, go and burn this place, go and burn that place, go and burn the other place. The question I ask you again, when you catch Nnamdi Kanu for Kenya, did you get any gun where you see for your hand? You say you did not catch it, you did not see any gun, that you only saw him with transmitter where they use broadcast, and laptop with phone and other maybe tripod. Now waiting, now your exhibit with this. Now waiting you catch. Now waiting you catch him with no gun. Are you saying that you did not catch any AK-47 with Nnamdi Kanu, even peso? You say no. That you only saw laptop. Laptop. If maybe they had played the script very well, therefore even put gun. But you know, there is no way you are going to lie on a man that did not do anything wrong to you. Even while you are playing a very deadly script, inside all this drama, you know the truth. They did not catch Nnamdi Kanu with any gun. Just that he said this, he issued this, he issued an order. He's so arrogant. The way he speaks, he's not calm. He's so proud, so egocentric, too full of himself. These are the reason why Nnamdi Kanu was given life imprisonment. Bianca Ojukwu, are you not seeing the terrorists where they grant interview? Are you not seeing the terrorists whereby one police officer removing uniform, police uniform, wear the police uniform, come for their normal peace meeting in Castina? Bianca Ojukwu, you did not hear about that one? That a terrorist, one of the terrorists, they give amnesty. One of the terrorists, they rehabilitate and give opportunity to repent. One of them pied one Nigeria police officer, removed his uniform, wear it, and went to the next meeting. Meeting of Nigeria police and the terrorists, Nigeria police and Lakrawa terrorists, including Fulani. These ones don't deserve life imprisonment. A Boko Haram terrorist was given 20 years. And I know they will remove him. They will release him. He will not spend 24 hours. And they gave Nnamdi Kanu life imprisonment. And you still sit down and call yourself a minister. Bianca. David Umar, you are still calling yourself a minister. Obi Kubana, you are still calling yourself a billionaire businessman. Igbo billionaire businessman. Money, fine boy. You are still calling yourself a billionaire businessman. You still see yourself as one of the billionaire elders we have in Southeast. Oh, post Dodema for your mind, you are a governor. David Umar, you are a minister. All of you. You see your future. Your own future is over. It's hanging on the roof now. It's see finish. Nigeria see una finish. Tinubu see una finish. Tinubu look una for face say you guys cannot do anything. Bianca Ojukwu, as you are moving around with Tinubu, I want you to have it at the back of your mind that Tinubu see you as somebody that is useless and worthless. If you are not useless and worthless to Tinubu, believe me, Tinubu will not do what he did to your brother. Okay, man, he will not do it. Knowing fully well that everything where they say Nnamdi Kanu do is just mere rhetoric. None of them have proof nor evidence. Now hearsay, them say. You see, you people will be Southeast politicians. I tell you that you are the one they gave this life imprisonment. You still have the chance to reverse this whole rubbish what just happened yesterday. You still have another opportunity to rewrite this wrong thing what happened yesterday. If not, you guys are gone. Your political career, even if you want to transfer it to your children, it will not stand the test of time. Nigeria rob una poto for face. They negotiate with the terrorists. They sit down with the bandits. They rehabilitate them. They even say that they should be given opportunity. They use Nigerian money to feed the terrorists where they on a life kill millions of people, and they look you people in the face, say you cannot do anything, and they give your brother life imprisonment. No Fulani terrorists, no bandits, no Boko Haram terrorists have been given life imprisonment. Not even one. Not even one. And you are still answering a senator in Nigeria, and you are still answering a minister. Who are you? What are you defending? Which people are you protecting? The same people where Tinubu government and Nigerian government, the same people they want to be exterminated. The same people they don't want them to see the light of the next day. And you are still in Tinubu government answering a minister, answering a senator, answering a governor. You guys don't know what is coming. I will not say more than this, but I say let me remind you, including you where they do business. Sheyi Tinubu, una they dine with them. Obi Kubana, Imone, Jomizazi, all of you, the one who get to the hotel, all of you are dying with Sheyi Tinubu. They sentence Nnamdi Kanu for your mind. Oh, there is no problem. We can now travel. You can now travel to the southeast. Now they sentence him, and you think that you are free. You think for your mind you don't get freedom. Nnamdi Kanu do no bad by bringing instant security network. Your politicians failed to bring. I blame him. You guys do not deserve anything good in life. I blame Nnamdi Kanu for sacrificing his life for you people. Fulani was killing, buying our people in Southeast. Obi Kubana will go to Southeast and be sharing 1 million naira. Nnamdi Kanu say I can't share 1 million naira. I will have to fight the insecurity. After Nnamdi Kanu brought Eastern Security Network, they said no, this security network will not stand. Governors now brought Ebubago will turn against their own people. The governors imported terrorists, and you put the blame on Nnamdi Kanu because he did you people a favor out of his magnanimity to bring a security that will stop insecurity, that will stop Fulani from further encroaching in our territories. And when I say Nnamdi Kanu do not bad, you blow your trumpet to say that the justice is well deserved. They should give him life imprisonment and more. As in go down Southeast, go to your father's land. Go to Southeast. There is no longer insecurity, Abi. The coast is clear. It's no problem. It's not a threat. But I'm telling you, if you think that this will end insecurity in Southeast, then I will tell you today, you are daydreaming. You've seen nothing yet. This is just the beginning of the melodrama that will happen there. You Southeast politicians, you Southeast Igbo businessmen and women, okay? I am only here to tell you that Tinubu have further placed you people where then they put garbage. Una be suck away pit, una be shit where they for suck away. Obi Kubana, E-money, all of you. If you allow this judgment to stand, all of you are nothing but a garbage. Suck away pit. You don't know what is coming. Yoruba man, imprison your brother, but you allow Fulani terrorists to be holding meeting, to be sitting down, to be granted rehabilitation, and given first class ticket to travel abroad, huh? And you say that you are an Igbo man, that Nnamdi Kanu deserve the treatment. I say go to your father's land. There is no longer insecurity in Southeast. I don't have any other thing to say for now. I'll be coming one after the. I'll be coming for you people. I'll be coming for you people. Pikin wey say mama no go sleep, no go sleep. You are enjoying your own money while Nnamdi Kanu is suffering. You know, I'm a big boy. You know, that shawarma. You know, that don't go chicken. You know, travel abroad. This guy no. You people don't deserve. I'm telling you, many of you do not deserve pity. You don't deserve mercy. Nnamdi Kanu, my brother. I can't say that I blame you for trying to help your people, but it's well. It is your call. It is your call. It happened to Nelson Mandela 27 years. It is your call. But I tell you, you are going to emerge victorious at the end of the day.